Hi everyone, I'm Mona Dan, founder of VIE Healing, and I'm super excited to introduce to you our very unique and proprietary tool, our U-Shaped Jade Gua Sha. This tool was made by me specifically to get into those hard to reach areas that a lot of my patients were asking for, and a lot of actually the practitioners that work with me needed. Why? This tool has this beautiful U shape at the top, which mimics the fingers. A lot of times when we're at home and we are trying to get into those really tough areas, we're using our knuckles, right? We're trying to get into those areas with our knuckles. Even if it's like our back, we're trying to get in there with like the tips of our fingers. So typical Gua Sha tools definitely do have rounded edges that do get into those pressure points, but this really nicely grabs muscles from both sides and gets into those areas. This tool is not the best tool for the face, even though you definitely can use it on the face, you can definitely enjoy it for the face, but this is better for like the bigger areas of the body. So like the SCM, which is a sternocleidomastoid, that gets super stimulated. Stimulating this area gives a lot of vagus nerve relaxation, which really helps put the body into that processing mode and away from that fight-flight mode. But this is great for the legs, the thighs, the traps, even like the abdomen, to get into those really tight places. So this is my favorite tool to use for overall body in very specific targeted points. I'm gonna show you how to use it on the face in a very gentle way, but just remember, this is great for all over the body. Get into those places in a way that feels good to you. Repeat those motions for 5 to 10 times and go with it. This could be a daily practice while you're watching TV or while you're reading a book. Just really take the time to do some self-care with these tools. Let's start with the U-Shape Gua Sha. So Gua Sha is terminology used for scraping the body and getting redness to come out. That means you have blood circulation, that means toxins are getting rid of, that means the lymphs are getting activated. So the term Gua Sha isn't actually the name of the tool, but it's the name of the process that we're doing. You start with using your favorite oil. I'm currently using argan oil. I switch between argan oil or jojoba oil, but honestly use whatever your body is liking at the moment, because the body does shift like that too. So to use this tool, if you use the flat side, you want to get the stimulation in the wide areas first. Be very gentle. You don't need to push too hard like this. You just need to glide. Gliding gets blood circulation. So just glide. Get that blood moving. There's so many videos that show how to do it right, how to do it this, how to do it that, but essentially you just want to start getting the blood circulation. Then you can start with this tool to stimulate the hairline. Stimulating the hair follicles in the head starts bringing even more blood flow to the face. After you do that, make sure you wipe your tool because you do have oils in your hair, then move on to your face. So once it's wiped, you come to your face and you can nicely guide with the pressure point tips to get those defined edges. So you can literally get into these areas, like if you have TMJ or if you have any tension in the jaw, you could really move those muscles and get that tension release. You don't need to use this tool so much for like connective tissue adhesion, but to bring blood flow to these like really tense muscles of the face. Go into the pressure points, give a rounded stimulation just like this. And then you can also use this in the eye region like this. Use the flat side again and guide gently, very, very gently towards the lymphs. Again, these 2 points really nicely get into these really tight areas behind the neck and the shoulders. So it feels really nice to use them. And that's how you use the VIE Healing U-Shape Gua Sha. Please follow along more on our Instagram page, VIE Healing. We have a ton of information talking about traditional Chinese medicine and our take on how to really bring self-care at home to you.